All right, today I'm working on another Nissan Quest. This time we're replacing spark plugs and a few gaskets that we're gonna have to take off anyway. So we're gonna replace those. So first thing, we have to remove this whole entire cowl up here. So I started removing the covers of the wipers. That's the first thing that has to come off. So let's get it and get these things off. There you go, guys. Now we have to take this cowl off. I'm gonna remove the clips that I've already removed. These clips are pretty nice. So they came out pretty easy with this tool here. I got this tool on Amazon. It's fresh, really nice tool. And I have all the tools that we can use, but that one was the adequate. So now let's take this thing off. Then you just gotta pull on it. But I don't wanna break nothing, let's use 2 hands. And 1 snap. There you go, guys. Now we have to take this whole piece off, this motor off, all this stuff off, so that we can access all this stuff in there. So let's go. There you go, guys. So now it's off. Now we have to take this air box duct in there. The air box, it's like a duct thing that creates air to go through the grill into your air box. I forgot what they're called, duct something. But anyway, let's get this job rolling. Let's get it. All right, guys, so with the intake manifold off, a little dirty here, not too bad. Our throttle body is pretty dirty. I'm gonna clean that out, show you guys how to clean that out in another video, but we're gonna clean that out. Now we can access the spark plugs in the back, and these were accessible before, but we're gonna just take them all out at the same time and replace these spark plugs. So let's get it. All right, guys, so I took out the igniters, or the, what do you call them, coil packs, all the front and back. So I undo the O2 sensor here, O2 sensor that sits right here, and in the back and the front, and then the plugs from the coil packs, move them out the way. 10 mils, they pop right out. So now let's remove our spark plugs and put the new ones in. Let's get it. There's oil in there, you can see on that one. Look, see the oil flicking around, that O-ring around this area. Same thing with this one. There shouldn't be any oil in there on this one. This came out coated. So all right, so the spark plug, there's oil in the spark plugs. Let me see if all right, guys, so every time I do the spark plug change, I always make sure that the gapping is about the same, or is the same on all of them, going in and coming out. Up, caught it. Check again just in case we're good. Sometimes these plugs don't come pre-gapped, even though they say they do. So that's why I double check, because we don't want no misfires and, you know, have to do all these work again to get to these plugs, you know. So that's why we double check, so that we don't have any issues when we start the car. So that's it. We're in there. So let's put these in. So I cleaned up the manifold. Now time to replace the seal here, this gasket, and put the new one in. Let's get it. Alright, we're installed. Now time to install it. There you go, guys. Intake manifolds back on. Everything's hooked up. Back on there. Everything's secure. So now I am going to put the rest of the stuff on and ship this car. Let's get it. There you go, guys. Everything's back together. You guys enjoy the video. Hope you guys hope this helped you fix your car, you know, replace the spark plugs and stuff like that, and hopefully you can you know, see what's going on with this type of jobs. You know, they're hard and it's hot out, so stay hydrated, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification. Get those reports from us, new videos and stuff like that. So God bless you guys. Peace.